If you do several jobs a week for the same client, it can be hard for them to keep track of all their invoices and what they owe you. For these high volume clients, it's worth checking out live statements, a simple, automated way for your clients to see all their outstanding invoices in one place. Your client's live statement updates automatically, adding new invoices as you complete each job and updating as they're paid. Live Statements is part of the Automation add-on, included in all ServiceM8 plans. To start using it, activate the add-on, then enable the Live Statements automation. Once enabled, click Edit. Set how frequently you want to automatically email client statements. Review the email's messaging, and the first step is done. Next, you need to set which of your clients you want to receive live statements. To do so, go to Clients, Search and select, then under Actions, click Apply Live Statements. Once activated for a client, they'll be emailed a link to view their statement every week, fortnight or month, depending on the frequency you've set. From this point, it's pretty much business as usual. On a day-to-day basis, there are two options to make an unpaid invoice show on a client's statement. Option 1 is to set the job status to completed and email the invoice just like normal, including the special link for the client to view the invoice online. You can do this in the app as part of the normal checkout process, or follow the same process online, completing the job, generating the invoice, and sending it off. With this option, your client will get every invoice just like normal, but they're also automatically sent a link to their live statement to see all their outstanding invoices in one place. However, some clients might not want to get every invoice on completion of every job. Option 2 for making an invoice appear on a client statement is to update the job status to completed, then simply approve it. There's no need to generate and send the invoice. For example, if you're on site, you'd check out of the job, finalize your work completed and billable items, never mind about producing the invoice, and switch Approve to On, and just tap Finish. Or you can complete the job, then in the More tab, go to Invoicing, and tap to approve completed jobs here. If you want to do this online, you'd simply finalize the details in the job card and update the job status to completed. Then go to Invoicing, find the job, and approve. So with option 2, approving the invoice details through to your accounting software also triggers the invoice to show on the client's live statement. This option is great if you don't want to email every single job's invoice to the client and just auto send them a live statement containing all their invoices. So, think about which option works best for you. You can use both workflows interchangeably in the app and online, but the key takeaway is that to make an invoice appear on a client's statement, it needs to be unpaid, the job status is completed, and the invoice has either been emailed to the client or the invoice has been approved. Finally, if you need to manually send a statement to a client, like a friendly follow-up, you can do so by adding the statement merge field to your email and SMS templates. Just type it in exactly like this, including the curly brackets, and when you open one of the client's job cards and load this template, the merge field will convert into a link to their live statement. And that is how you automate live statements for your high volume clients.